Yep, that's a shark. Are you want to wind up that rod there?
Both of them?
Shit, that's definitely a shark. Yes. This is the one, bro. It's alright. Just gonna grab the other rod. It's alright. You come. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful. It's a nice gummy. Under there, the middle.
Yeah. In here.
Yeah.
What do you need? A net?
Blue net. My gummy net. Yes. Yeah, boy. We did it, cuz.
What'd you have on it?
That was slimy. Slimy head.
Head?
Yeah.
Hell, you love, brother.
Fuck yeah. It's a male. Fucking look at that.
They look mean.
Hound shark. Fuck yeah. Oh, when there's one, there's more.
They're fucking open, eh?
Yeah.